Hey guys, welcome to Futuristic Approach, and I have come up today with a new topic called single sign-on. So what is single sign-on, guys? Single sign-on is nothing but it enables users to securely authenticate with multiple applications and websites by just using one set of credentials. So we have let's say different kind of applications available to me. So I can just enter those applications with the help of my one set of credential, and I'll just enter my username and password to it, and I'll have full access to that particular website. So this concept is enabled for the users to securely browse through the particular applications. So how single sign-on works on Saml authentication? So guys, Saml authentication is nothing but security assertion markup language. So it's an open standard for exchanging authentication and authorization data between an identity provider and a service provider. So now we will see how single sign-on works, what all things happen, how a request is generated, how Saml request is generated, how Saml response is received, and how we are getting access to that particular application. So guys, here if you see, a user is there. Now a user enters a particular URL of the website, let's say https something www.something.com. Then what will happen? It will go to the service provider. The service provider, in turn, what it will do, it will first generate a Saml authentication request in XML format so that it can authenticate that whether the request has come up from a legitimate user or not. So this Saml authentication request, which is in XML format, it will go to a Active Directory server. So this Active Directory server will validate the request. It will check whether the request has come up from the legitimate user or not. If the request is from a legitimate user, it will validate the request and generate a Saml token. Now this Saml token will go to the web browser again. So it goes to the browser, and then it is in turn, it goes back to the provider. So the provider, the browser will tell the provider that yes, he is a legitimate user, he is having a Saml token. So the provider will validate Saml request and Saml response. Based on that, the service provider will redirect this particular request to the browser again, saying that okay, you are a legitimate user, so you can browse through the application, and this way this particular user will get the access to the application. So guys, this single sign-on concept is valid for a particular duration of time, so you need not log in again and again. But the only thing is that with one particular username and password you can log into the multiple application. But while logging to different application, we will have to enter your username password each time you enter different applications. But for a duration of time, let's say for a half an hour, it will be valid, and you can go on browsing the data in that particular application for half an hour without any interruption, or it depends on whether it is in half an hour or 1 hour. So it will be for a particular duration of time, so that you need not put again and again that particular username or password. So this was all about the single sign-on, guys, and I hope you like the video. And this was one of the interesting topic I thought I'll cover up in this video. So see you guys in next video. And my Python object-oriented programming video is also about to be aired, so keep watching this channel, and till the time, guys, see you.